Friends, in this lecture, let us discuss a two-person zero-sum game without saddle point. So this is a mixed strategy game. So in this lecture, we will discuss the example. But in this example, let us model first a 2 by 2 game, and then we will answer completely by calculating the value of game and determining the optimum strategies for each player. But if you observe here in this given example, let us go through the statement first. In this game, in a game of matching coins, there are two players. There are two players. Player A wins rupees 2 if there are two heads. So simply, if this condition is met, then the player A wins rupees 2 if there are two heads, and nothing wins nothing if there are two tails. That means if each player tosses a coin, and if the condition is there are two tails, at that time there is zero gain to the player A. And if there are two heads, then the player A wins rupees 2. He loses rupee 1 to player B when there are one head and one tail. That means if there is a mismatch, one head and one tail, at that time there is a loss to player A. That is nothing but the gain or profit of player B now. So here we have to determine the payoff matrix, best strategies for each player, and the value of game to A. Now if we write this payoff matrix with respect to left hand side player, that is with respect to player A, then we will get the value of game with respect to player A now. Now let us construct the matrix as per the alternatives available for each of the players. Now suppose let us write the player A on left hand side. There are two possibilities for each player, head and tail. Okay. Now if we go through the conditions, player A wins rupees 2. That means player A gains rupees 2 if there are two heads. So if there are two heads, if a player A tosses the coin and he gets the head, and also if player B tosses the coin and if he also gets the head, then player A wins rupees 2 and he wins nothing. That means his gain is 0 if there are two tails. If player A tosses the coin and he gets the tail, and as well as for the player B gets the tail, then there is the 0 outcome. Player A wins nothing, right? But if there is a mismatch, player A loses rupee 1 to player B when there are one head and one tail. That means if there is a mismatch, then this is the loss to player A. That is nothing but the gain of player B. So this is the payoff matrix. This is the payoff matrix as per the given conditions. Now let us check here whether here exists the saddle point or not. So let us apply the maximin and minimax principle. So let us make the circle around a value along the rows which is having a minimum value. Let us draw a circle for a row minimum value. Okay, and then let us draw a square for column maximum value. In the first column 2 is maximum value, in the second column 0 is maximum value, and row wise -1 these two are minimum values. So there is no coincidence of a circle and square, so therefore there is no saddle point. In this game there is no saddle point. Okay, so therefore let us solve this game with a mixed strategy game. Now let us rewrite the matrix. Let us rewrite the matrix again and solve solution with mixed strategy. Solution with mixed strategy. Now let us construct the matrix again. 2 minus 1 minus 1 0. So let us name the strategies as 1 2 1 and 2. For each player these are the strategies. These are the strategies. Now let us find out row differences and column differences. Now this game is to be played by using the mixed strategies. Therefore we have to determine the probabilities for each of the strategies and outcome of the game, that is the value of game. Now if we take the differences here, let us take the difference row wise. Row wise difference will be in this way: 2 minus 1, 2 minus minus 1. So here difference will be 3 and here 0 minus minus 1. So difference will be 1. Now let us take the column differences in this way: 2 minus minus 1. So difference is here 3 and 0 minus minus 1. So difference is 1. Now let us take the ratio. Let us take the ratio with the difference upon sum of differences. So difference is here 3 by 4 and here 1 by 4. Similarly here ratio will be difference upon sum of differences, that is sum of differences is 4. So ratio here will be 3 by 4 and here 1 by 4. Difference is 1 and so sum of differences is at the denominator. Now let us interchange these ratios. So we get the probabilities. So here x will be 1 by 4 and 1 minus x will be 3 by 4. Similarly, if we interchange the ratios here, we will get the probabilities for player B. So therefore here y equal to 1 by 4 and 1 minus y equal to 3 by 4. So these are the probabilities. These are the probabilities for each player. Now therefore, now let us find out value of game. Value of game, that is value of game to player A. V equal to, let us apply the formula A11 into x plus A21 into 1 minus x. So we get here the value A11 element is 2 into x value is 1 by 4 plus A21 value is minus 1 into 1 minus x value is 3 by 4. So it comes, therefore V equal to minus 1 2 plus minus 3, that is minus 1 upon 4. So this is the value of game. And optimum strategies, best strategies for player A will be, let us write, therefore optimum strategy for player A will be x and 1 minus x, values of probabilities, that is 1 by 4, this is probability for strategy 1, and 3 by 2 is the probability, 3 by 4 is the probability for strategy 2. Similarly for player B, y and 1 minus y. These are the optimal strategies probabilities. So we have to write here 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. So this is the complete solution for the given problem. So always we have to write the outcome or the best strategies with respect to probabilities in a mixed strategy game. So keep in mind, so we require here the value of game and these probabilities for the strategies, that is optimum strategies for each player. So I hope you understood the concept of game formulation and solving a 2 by 2 matrix.